How to use DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek R1 is an advanced AI model designed for text generation, problem solving, and automation. It's a powerful tool for researchers, content creators, and businesses looking to enhance productivity with AI. Whether you're using it to writing script, coding, or automating workflows, this guide will help you understand on how you can use DeepSeek R1 effectively. Basically, DeepSeek R1 competes with other AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, but it offers unique features that make it stand out on the competition. If you're looking for a reliable AI assistant for various tasks, this tutorial will walk you through everything from getting started to maximizing its capabilities. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, to get started, you want to visit the official DeepSeek AI platform, and basically you want to sign in into an account. Now, to access their website easily, you can just go ahead and search for DeepSeek on search engines like Google Chrome. From here, it will then take us to the official website, which is deepseek.com. Once inside, all you have to do is to click on the Start Now button, or you can just go ahead and use their application if you want to. In our case, let's navigate through the DeepSeek application or the website. Right after that, it will then prompt you to a login or registration page where you basically have to confirm and enter your mobile number. From there, you will be able to access DeepSeek right here. Now this is our user interface, and this is where we can go ahead and start using DeepSeek version 3. Basically, to get started, it's as simple as typing your command to DeepSeek. So from here, you can just go ahead and type your command. Once again, this tool is best for something like data analysis or importing your own data. But to get started, let's go ahead and ask some simple questions like, what is logical operators? Give me a brief explanation. So let's go ahead and hit on the send button right here, and let's see what answer it produces. As you can see, with the logical operators in programming and logic to combine or modify Boolean expression, which evaluate to true or false. So from here, it will then go ahead and provide us with the answer to our questions. As you can see, it has provided some detailed questions that we will be able to use for our operation or logic right here. Now basically, let's go ahead and use this into something where it's good at, and that is data analysis. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and use this business Excel right here, and let's go ahead and use the functionality of DeepSeek. Once again, this is good at data analysis, so let's just go ahead and import this specific Excel into our DeepSeek website. Now from here, let's go ahead and ask it some simple questions like extracting the specific names and age for those names right here. So let's just go ahead and type something like, give me the names for this Excel. And let's go ahead and also include something like age. Let's hit on enter, and let's see how this tool performs. And so as you can see, it has managed to extract data from our Excel by just typing some simple details. Now basically, some features include importing data like we have done right here. Import data from various formats like CSV, Excel, JSON, and databases. You can also use the import wizard to upload and preview your data sets. We also have the data analysis tools. You can go ahead and remove duplicates, handle missing values, and normalize data. You can also utilize statistical tools to identify trends and pattern. Now for visualization, you can create charts, graph, and heat maps to represent data visually. Basically, if I go ahead and type something like, give me a chart for each or how many age differs from this specific Excel right here, and it will go ahead and give me that specific chart. Now for advanced feature, they have machine learning integration. You can apply machine learning models for predictive analysis. You can also set up your own automation, set workflows to automate repetitive tasks. And lastly, you can go ahead and share your projects and collaborate with team members in real time using DeepSeek version 3. So this is really amazing, especially if you're using the previous AI models like ChatGPT, which doesn't have below features like this one. Now you can go ahead and export and share results. Now you can save your analysis in formats like PDF, Excel, and interactive dashboards. You can share your findings directly through email or cloud-based option. And so let's go ahead and type something like, can you put this data into a new Excel sheet? And if we go ahead and click on enter, it will then go ahead and provide us with this sheet or Excel sheet that we have requested. Now, some additional tips for maximizing efficiency. You can go ahead and learn shortcuts. Learn keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. And lastly, regularly update your software and back up your projects to keep everything safe here on DeepSeek. With working with data, you want to go ahead and always make sure that you have backup for those. And so let's just go ahead and wait for this process to finish. Once again, there are a lot of things that you can go ahead and do as a data analysis on DeepSeek. You can also go ahead and leverage templates. You can utilize built-in templates to streamline repetitive tasks and maintain consistency in reports. You can experiment with data models. Don't hesitate to test different analytical models to find out the most accurate insight. And lastly, you can go ahead and stay engaged with the community. You can participate in forums and user groups to learn from other DeepSeek users' experience and tips, since this is a new tool on the market. Now in conclusion, using DeepSeek version 3 can significantly enhance your data analysis capability. And so, basically by understanding its features and functionalities, you can go ahead and unlock valuable insights from your data. And now, if you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy analyzing, and thank you so much.